In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel an order on Amazon. Whether you made a purchase by mistake or simply changed your mind, canceling an order is a straightforward process that can save you time and hassle. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. This is your starting point for managing all your Amazon orders. If you're not already signed in to your Amazon account, you'll need to do so by entering your login details. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on Amazon's homepage ready to access your account settings. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see a link labeled Returns and Orders. Click on this link. This section is your gateway to viewing all your recent purchases and managing your orders effectively. Here, you can track shipments, view past purchases, and of course, cancel any pending orders. After you've clicked Returns and Orders, you'll be taken to a page that displays a list of all your recent orders. Here, you'll find details like order dates, delivery status, and more. What you want to do is locate the order you wish to cancel. You can usually identify it quickly by the item name or order date. Once you've found the order, click on the Orders button next to it. This will bring up more detailed information about that specific purchase. Now, you should see an option that says Cancel Order. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, Amazon will ask you to confirm your decision to cancel. It's important to note that orders can only be canceled if they haven't yet been shipped. If the cancel option is not available, it might mean that the order is too far along in the shipping process. In such cases, you may need to wait for the package to arrive and then initiate a return. Instead, assuming the cancel option is available after you click it, you might be asked to provide a reason for cancellation. This step is optional, but providing a reason can help Amazon improve its service. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, you'll receive an email from Amazon confirming that your order has been successfully canceled. Keep this email for your records just in case you need to reference it later. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled an order on Amazon. This process is designed to be as user-friendly as possible, ensuring you have control over your purchases right up until they're shipped. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues while attempting to cancel an order, Amazon's customer service is available to assist you. I hope this tutorial was helpful and gave you a clear understanding of how to manage your orders on Amazon. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy guides and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.